welcome back to my channel. Today I have a what's in my bag video. It's going to be kind of a fast one. Don't have a whole lot to share with you guys, but I did want to share mainly the actual handbag itself because I find it to be very pretty. I don't know, maybe some of you guys will too. And also because of the brand and where I got it, I've never seen them carry this brand before. So I don't know, just thought I'd share that information with you guys. So this bag right here, it's actually a Sam Edelman bag, I believe, is how you pronounce it. I know that this brand can be found like at Nordstrom Rack, and I actually found this bag at Burlington. It was $27.99, I believe, and it's very nice. I mean, the material is super soft. It's not that big, but it fits quite a bit of things. And if you guys are interested, this is the information on the bag. It retails for suggested $128. Like I said, I got it for $27.99 at Burlington. And this is in the color Bay Leaf. So again, I'm familiar with the brand mainly because I think he's known for shoes. But I was very surprised to see this bag at Burlington, and I really like the color. I don't have a lot of handbags in this color. I think it's just this one and maybe one other bag that I have in this color. But it's really nice. So it is a top handle, but it did come with a crossbody strap. But again, this crossbody strap you would have to attach from the front and then from the back, which personally, if you guys know, I don't like to wear my bags. If I'm going to use them crossbody, I don't like to use them with a strap. That way I would have preferred, for the little clips to be on the sides, but it's not. But anyway, you have the zipper, which has that same little logo, and you have two, so you can either just pull one side down, both, or to the side. We have different options on how to open the bag. This is the back, and it does have a little pocket here. I believe my phone fits. I don't know if I tried it, but it would be a little bit snugged if I did put my phone in there. And the bag does have feet, which I appreciate. So I used this bag actually on Friday for work, and I'm not sure if I'm going to take it to work tomorrow or if I'm going to be switching out into something else, which is why I wanted to do the video. So let's get right into the video. And this is kind of an overview of what I have. So first things first is my little rechargeable little fan that I take to work. I had to bring it home because I had to charge it because it was like completely dead. And you do have to charge it for, quite a bit just so that, the battery, will last you. But this probably has been one of the best Amazon purchases that I've made in a long time because this really comes in handy for me at work. Sometimes, like I said, I get hot flashes and our AC is kind of like on an automatic mode. So, it turns off and turns off. And of course, when it's off is when I usually get hot, and just turning this on really, really helps me. So I'll be taking this to work tomorrow. So that's why I have that in there. The next thing that I have is this super cute little lotion that I got off of Temu. I mainly got it, I'm not gonna lie, for the packaging because it kind of resembles the Chanel lotion. Now, I do not own the Chanel lotion, but I've seen a couple girls here on YouTube that have talked about this kind of being, I don't want to say a dupe, right? But the packaging, or like the way the little bottle is similar to that of the Chanel one. And this is pink, so I thought it was super cute. This is how you open it. And then the lotion dispenses off of there. The lotion itself doesn't really have much of a scent. But yeah, it's okay. So I'll be taking this in my bag, just so my hands get a little dry or whatnot. I do have my car keys, and attached to the car keys, I just have this really cute little hand sanitizer that I got from Daiso a couple years ago. And again, have a little bit of the pink. I thought the kind of like the pastel pink along with this like sage color, looked pretty nice. The other thing that I have in here, oops, is this like key holder. Now this came from Temu as well. And if you guys take a quick look, what does this look like? It's like a little dupe for the MCM. It obviously doesn't say MCM. If you look closely, it says MGM. But the logo and everything looks pretty spot on. I actually have a original fanny pack from MCM, and let me tell you, this isn't that far off. Even the material, guys, feels almost like the real thing. Obviously with MCM, the original, it's real leather. This is not. But yeah, this was a great find. And I also got it in the tan color. And in here, you open it up, and I actually just put my work keys in here. But it comes with these two little, like, oh my god, just so you can put your keys on here. So I just put my additional like other house keys and stuff that I have on there. But like I said, I did add my work keys in here just so that they're not like all over the bag and I know where to find my keys. So yeah, I thought this was a really nice find, and that's from Temu again. I also have my little, you guys know and seen this in many videos, it's just where I store all of my wipes, feminine wipes, wet ones, some hand sanitizer. I added some Band-Aids, little Neutrogena wipe, and again, this bag came from Amazon. For my wallet, I am using my Michael Kors wallet, and I won't open it up, but I love these wallets. They're so like nice with the zipper, it just opens up so nicely. And yeah, again, even though it's not pink, I thought the color went really well with the bag. So that's the wallet that I'm using. And then for my little catch-all, I am using this little Guess catch-all here. And in here, I just have some gum. I have some eye drops, my little pill case, my little mirror, my breath strips, which actually I have to throw one of these away because one of them is empty. I think it's the other one. And a little lip balm, my chapstick hydration stick, my other eye drops, and then my Chloe little perfume. So yeah, so that's what I have in this little Guess little catch-all. And then I just have this little guy here, which is just a little card holder, and then I just have like some cards from work. And yeah, this one came, I think, from Shein. So I have that in there. And so this is the inside. I'll let you guys see. You do have a zipper pocket back here, and then on this side you do have two additional pockets. And like I said, it's really roomy. It's been a nice carry. The bag itself is very light, and the material feels like leather, just very soft, but obviously it's not. It's, like a vegan leather. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to share that with you. Also, before I go, I do want to thank all of my new subscribers, all of you guys who have joined in the past, couple weeks, months. I really appreciate you. To all my old subscribers, thank you guys as well for, continuing to view my videos and all of that. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have taken a little bit of a break on Instagram, but on Instagram, sometimes, or I should say most of the time, I will be posting pictures of bags that I don't actually do videos on, but that like I switch out like during the week really quick to like run an errand and stuff. So if that's something that obviously that you guys like, follow me on Instagram at Sassy VD Hauls. I will have it linked down in the description box. And also, I am going to be selling some stuff, bags and whatnot, shoes, probably on Poshmark and Mercari. Might do a video on it. I'm not sure, but just stay tuned for that if that's something you guys are interested in. And I will be linking my where you can find me there. So if you guys are interested in purchasing something, then you guys can go ahead and purchase it. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.